Are you ready to take control of your finances and make your first $1,000 online? This video will show you how. It's a goal that seems out of reach for many, but with the right strategy, earning your first $1,000 online is completely achievable. No matter your background, there's an opportunity waiting. Our main focus is on practical, actionable steps to quickly reach that milestone of $1,000, turning that dream into a reality. We'll explore three main paths: selling your services, creating and selling products, or leveraging quick side hustles. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to generate income. You trade your time and skills directly for money. High-demand skills like specialized writing, graphic design, and beginner programming are highly sought after by businesses worldwide. What skills do you already have? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are marketplaces where you can list your services and immediately start bidding on projects. Don't forget LinkedIn for more professional opportunities. To hit $1,000 quickly, focus on projects that pay higher rates. Start with a competitive but attractive price, and aim for a few high-value clients. The product route allows for more passive income over time. Let's look at low-risk options. Digital products like ebooks, printable templates, or online guides have zero production or shipping costs, making them incredibly profitable once created. For physical products, consider dropshipping or print on demand. You handle the storefront and marketing, while a third party manages inventory and fulfillment. Use social media and targeted video content to showcase your product's value. Early promotions and discounts can drive those initial sales needed to hit your goal. Sometimes the fastest money comes from simple side gigs that require minimal setup. Affiliate marketing, promoting other companies' products for a commission, can yield quick returns if you already have an audience or a targeted platform. Online tutoring, consulting, or offering short training sessions in an area you master are great ways to earn hourly pay quickly and efficiently. We've covered the three main paths: services, products, and side hustles. Now the key is to choose one and get started. Your first $1,000 is just the beginning. Stay consistent, track what works, and keep refining your process to scale your earnings even further. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Pick your strategy, put in the work, and start your journey to financial freedom today. Good luck!